Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy Solana right here on the Bitstamp market. So first of all, what you're gonna do is create your account, verify your account, and make sure that you turn on the 2FA. Then after that, click on deposit and throw money to your account. If you don't have any idea how to do this, please check out my previous videos. And then right now we click here on the pro version and then we click here on trade. Then we are now here on the trading market, and this is the place where the magic happens, because right now if you want to buy Solana, we click here on symbols and we fill in SOL. Then you click here on SOL to US dollars, and then right here you will find the chart for Solana. Then if you want to buy this, we click here on buy, limit order, and then fill in right here the limit price for SOL, and that is exactly this price. And then right now what we're gonna do is we click here on the amount. So let's say we want to buy 5 Solana, and that is $452. And then right now, if you just click here on buy SOL, we can create our position on Solana. Right now, this button is not turning greener because I don't have any money standing on this account. But if you deposit money to your account, you can do this right here and click then on the greener button right here, and then you create your position on Solana. So this is exactly how you can buy Solana on Bitstamp. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.